Hey guys, it's CrossF here. In today's video, I will be changing the back cover off my Samsung Galaxy A53. And the only reason why I'm going to change the back cover is because I want to give this phone a new identity and just change how it looks, because the black on here, despite how decent it is, it's just really boring for me, in my opinion. So I will be changing out with this right here. Not the package, but here is our blue back cover for our Samsung Galaxy A53. It was all heavily packaged, and I was pretty surprised it was like really professionally packaged. But yeah, here's the phone right now, and here's the blue cover. And yeah, by no means this wouldn't really be a restoration video, just more of like a fix or modify for fun video, pretty much. But anyways, with the toolkit right here, as you see, I just need like the suction cup and the guitar pick. Really simple as that. Unless if the adhesive is stuck on there real tightly, then I'll probably have to swap it out. But yeah, as you can see, here's the phone itself. I'm gonna push the laptop back over here. And yeah. Oh yeah, and the adhesive. But the adhesive in here. Oh yeah, that adhesive was doing a great job. As you can see, I don't see anything to slid the guitar pick in there. Maybe until now? I don't know. Oh yeah, I think I've successfully slid the guitar pick inside the phone. Oh shoot. And there you go. Put the old back cover beside there. Get rid of the old adhesive, which looked like it really didn't do a great job, or maybe I didn't properly install it, but there you go. Here's what the inside of the phone looks like. And yeah, if you ever wanted to know what an A53 on the inside looked like, then there you go. But yeah, it has some glue in there, which I am gonna have to fix up real quick, so yeah. So yeah, pretty much I just said screw it, and I'm not gonna do the old adhesive, or I'm just gonna put the new adhesive over the old one, just because of laziness. But yeah, so far it looks pretty good with the phone. Taking out the camera covers. There you go. Voila. It looks plastic. Actually, it looks the same as the other one. But anyways, taking out the adhesive strip. Taking off the adhesive strip, and then we could put it on this phone now. And wow, would you look at that? I mean, like, there is an exception though. The phone has the original black frame on it, but it looks pretty cool with the black frame on it. And yeah, overall it's pretty much a night and day difference between the old one and the new, like, and the new one pretty much. But yeah, just let me know in the comments. Just let me know in the comments down below and see which one would be your favorite color, and yeah. But anyways, y'all. But yeah, that'll be wrapping up today's video. If you like what you see, then why not give a thumbs up? And if you like to see tech if you like to see tech videos like this or similar, then why not subscribe? Because it helps out a lot. And yeah, peace, y'all.